Hydraulic power accumulator pressure has to be checked on a regular basis. Indeed, a too frequent pressure adjustment could lead to damage to the accumulator and air being introduced into the related hydraulic system. We are going to show how to check the hydraulic power accumulator pressure. This video does not replace AIRBUS documentation. Here, we consider that the main landing gear door is already opened. Firstly, make sure that the hydraulic system is depressurized. Then, check if the nitrogen charge pressure on the accumulator pressure gauge is correct, using the AMM and report sheet. If the accumulator pressure is between the nominal pressure P and P minus 15 bar, no more steps are necessary. If the accumulator pressure is below the AMM minimum limit, adjust the pressure to the nominal value. Check the accumulator pressure after 20 minutes to ensure that there is no leak. If the pressure is plus or minus 7 bar, no more steps are necessary. If the pressure is still 7 bar or more above the nominal value, reduce the pressure to the nominal value. If the pressure is still 7 bar below the nominal value, perform a leak check with the oxygen leak detector on the accumulator gas manifold. If no external leak is identified, replace the affected accumulator and bleed the affected system as per AMM.